Kita nyo? Before matapos yung gabi, magtsikahan muna tayo while nag-skincare ako. Kasi alam nyo guys, matagal na rin ako naghahanap ng toner pads na naka-infuse na yung toner sa loob ng pads. I found the solution. Tagal ko na rin itong gustong gamitin. This is actually the Mediheal. I've got two. One retinol and one is for the blemish. But tonight, we'll use the retinol with you guys. Kasi naniniwala ako sa Korean skincare, magiging glass skin tayo. So, Mediheal, please don't fail my glass skin delusion. Our solution for all. This is 100 pads. Ooh.
Retinol plus collagen ang perfect combo for firmer, smoother, and glowing skin. Retinol helps reduce fine lines and improve skin texture, habang collagen naman pampabounce at elasticity ng skin natin. This is easy to use, ilalagay mo lang naman yung mga pads sa mukha mo for 15 minutes. Sobrang eco-friendly kasi reusable yung lalagyan. Kung lagi kang puyat, stress, or napapansin mo na medyo saggy yung face mo, this is for you. Look at that.
Korean glass skin. Mediheal, check out nyo na rin to. Sabay-sabay tayo magpa-Korean glass skin. Ilang naman. Thank you!